If you're working with a Medicare insurance agent or broker to enroll you in your Medicare plan, there's an important mistake that you should be aware of to look out for, as this mistake's happening a lot more frequently in the last few months, and I don't want it to happen to you. So in this session, let's talk about what that mistake is and how you can avoid it. I'm Emily with the Medicare Coach, an independent Medicare consultant, helping our clients easily navigate both the government rules of Medicare, but also the insurance company options to help them do what's best for them, to both have the best health care, have the best health insurance, while also protecting their retirement savings. We are not an insurance company, an agent, or a broker, or the government, so you'll hear me say very different things in this video. Also, down below, I share some extra resources for you to give you a jump start when it comes to Medicare. So, in the last few months, we've been seeing more mistakes happening with insurance agents. So, when it comes to Medicare, you get your Medicare Part A and B directly from the government. But when it comes to the other plans, the Medicare Advantage, the Medicare Part D, or the Medicare Supplement, also called Medigap, you're going to enroll in those plans through an insurance agent, okay? Or at least through the insurance company. Now, there are a couple of ways to do that. Most of our clients will enroll through their Medicare Part D or their Advantage plan directly through their Medicare.gov account. But when it comes to Medicare Supplement, they tend to need to have an agent or a broker. Some states allow you to enroll directly through their website, but most states will require you to have an agent or a broker or call the company directly. What we're seeing is this. When people tend to, so we have a couple of things happening. We have some agents who we have partnerships with who have to come back to us to tell us that they've actually enrolled a client. But some people have friends or family or someone else that want to enroll them in the plan, and that's fine. If you have a relationship with an insurance agent, go for it. We don't get commissions, so we don't really care. But what we're seeing is when people are going out to their own agent, the agent is telling them that they're enrolling in everything, but they never officially submit or confirm their application for their Medicare Supplement plan. And because we don't get that feedback from them, we can't see it. Again, the agents that we work with, we require them to tell us when they've been confirmed so we can close the loop for our clients. So if you're going out and working with an agent on your own, it is incredibly important, although it sounds so simple, that you get confirmation from that agent, from that broker, from that person once they've enrolled you. That usually looks like a Medicare Supplement card as well as a bill in most cases. If you don't get that confirmation, you might not be enrolled officially in that plan. The client of ours is very upset with the agent because they said it was done, but it wasn't, and we don't have that transparency. So my point is, please be certain that you get that confirmation that the plan was officially submitted and enrolled, because sometimes they drop the ball on things. So again, please be thorough and thoughtful, do what's right for you when it comes to Medicare, and get that final confirmation so that your plan is officially in place and you don't have to worry about it anymore. All right, make sure you follow along for more inside tips when it comes to Medicare.